Well, the history of electricity, we can start with the discoveries that were made in the 18th and 19th century. And probably the one form of electricity that was most apparent to everybody was static electricity. And that is an inherent property of nearly every object. So the loose electrons in atoms and molecules tend to migrate to the surface and collect, oftentimes on the end of a point, such as your finger or Harry Potter's wand, if you will. And we build those charges up, like when we pull our sweater off and our hair goes sprung. But inherently, it was very difficult to capture and put to use that static electricity. So to recap, well, voltage, again, is the charge and its desire to get to and balance out with another charge or another body. So from a battery, it's what is the likelihood that the electrons want to go from here to here. Now, amperage is, if you put this in a circuit, like with a light bulb or a motor, is what is the rate that those electrons are moving across there. And the product of those two, how excited they are, and then how many of them are moving at a given rate of time, is power. And again, that's measured in watts. Now, typically, when we buy it in our house and plug it into the wall, we measure those in kilowatts, which is just 1,000 watts. And that same production of power, that use of energy, is the same units and concepts that we have when we use mechanical equipment, such as our lawnmower, or drive our car, or even eat food, curiously enough.